How to fix Roger's account login not working. If you're not being able to log into the Roger's account, first try checking the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Also make sure the credentials that you provided are correct. If not, tap on the option forget username or password in order to recover or reset it. After you do that, the problem should be fixed. If not, there might be some bugs in the application. Open the Play Store. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Search for My Rogers. You can see the results over here. Find the application for My Rogers and tap on it. If you see the option for update, tap on it and wait for a while. Now the application will be updated. The bugs will be fixed and you should be able to log in. If not, try clearing the cache of My Rogers. Open App Library. Find the application for My Rogers and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Storage and Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache. Once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be fixed. If not, try uninstalling the Rogers application and install it again. Now your problem will be fixed. But sometimes there might be some problem with your device itself. In that case, restart your device. Long press on the power button. Tap on the option Restart in order to restart it. Now open the Rogers application and try logging into your account. You should be able to do it. Like this, you can fix Rogers account login problem. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.